Hi, good morning. My name is Daniel Andrea Quiñones Cortez. I'm from Mocoa, Putumayo, and actually I am studying a bachelor degree in English. And today I'm going to talk about my project. It is a project that I was realizing during my practice in the area of practical integral with the teacher Diana Carolina Ramirez from the University of Secar. So, okay, my project is called Improvement of English Pronunciation Through Shadowing. Uh, this this idea burns as a necessary to help the student to improve their pronunciation. Sorry, because I saw there is a huge difficult in this ability. The guys has problem with the pronunciation, so they get so nervous when they have to talk because they have afraid to be equivocate, to be wrong. So for this reason, I developed this project. Put it all, I want to say that I started my practice very late because I don't have a place to do my practice, so I can recollect very information or very images, very videos of my practice. Mm, but I applied during a short time. So, what is shadowing? Okay, shadowing is a tape that normally is used in companies and buildings, huge buildings, for business for business. But nowadays it is used also in college from also by teachers because it is a really fun way to to teach the students and do it in a way very fun. So because in this, for example, in my case, my idea was that the students choose their favorite famous persons or their favorite singer, their favorite actor, uh, whatever else. Yeah, and the idea is what you see interviews, you see presentation, you see they when they are talking. The idea is to introduce in their lives, and you repeat what repeat what they say or make. So the idea is to imitate the person when the person talks, when the person sing, what else? So, sorry, I think that made the learning process so fun and rich. Okay, research question: how to improve the pronunciation on English through the technique of shadowing? So that was my idea. How to improve the pronunciation with this technique? Why this technique improve the pronunciation? Because you all the time are saying the person and you are imitating what he said or what she do. So it is more easy to do a correct pronunciation when you see how the person put her tone, how the person do the accent. so it is more easy for so for this reason, um, I I choose this technique. General objective. The general objective is that the student can improve the pronunciation and also acquire different linguistic skills through the techniques. The the big idea is improve the pronunciation, but with this technique, the students also acquire different skills. For example, in this technique, you have to use your listening. You have to be attentive. You have to be so focused for do a better imitation. So you have to be so attentive, and you can also improve your listening, your speaking, all of this, your pronunciation, and so you have a complete a complete acquire of different skills. A specific objectives: improve pronunciation, occasional skills thanks to the immersion of another person's speech and expression, and improve the student diction, intonation, and fluency. So what I say anteriorly, that is the idea. Improve the diction, intonation, and fluency, because when you have a good pronunciation, you have a good and better fluency to when you are going to talk. So as it is the idea of my project. Methodology of type of research. My work is a research, is a qualitative design, because for recollect information, I use interview, images, videos. So that's it. It is it was do meaning observation and phenomenon in the natural information, and it was applied because I did, sorry, when I was doing my practice projects in a institution. Sorry, that. There are some reference from I take some consideration to do my work. You can see um, there are texts or so presence for us say it from 2010, 2017, 2013, and that's it. The majority of these techniques have a precedence in another countries, because here in Colombia it is not so common, but it is going to take in force through the time. Here is there are a video that I use in my to teach to my students. There are algunas some pictures of the interviewed, how do you say, yes, and there are another another images. um uh, uh, Sorry, I lost a lot of information and pictures of my project because my computer get down, so I lost a lot of information. For this reason, I don't have many photos of my project. But it is that. So thank you and bye bye.